Good morning, everyone. This is Rema Huobi, your one and only financial coach. Now, what I talk majorly about is how to trade the crypto on autopilot, how to invest in low gem projects, metaverse, how to buy properties on metaverse, launches on metaverse, how to stake, how to invest in real projects that can multiply your money in few years for both long-term investments and short-term trading. So for those who don't have big capital, you do day trading, and this is one of the best method that we have discovered so far on how you can make at least 5 to 30% profit of your trading capital every day by day, as long as you follow my rules. Let's go straight to work. Now, how do you set up this particular strategy? The first thing to do is, once you've logged into your Royal Q account, you go to system setting, which is below. You click on this firmware version. Once you click, it will tell you if your version is the latest version. If it's not, then you go and update your app. So click on it. So my own is showing it is now the latest version. So once I have confirmed that, I then go to my strategy setting. Then I have so many strategies for my trading. For this particular, because of this video, I'm going to create a new strategy settings again. So I click on plus. Then once I click on plus, my risk type is to be radical. I confirm. Then I want to, if you have $100 for your capital, you can put $100 as your first buying amount. This is not cycle trade. It's just focus on one short trade. If you have $200, $500, you can split it into two. If you have $500, so you can trade 2 coins. You understand? It's not good to go in with all your money in case there might be a big draw. That is when the market goes down a bit, you can replenish and leave the market still in profit. In Royal Q, we say that you don't lose your money. So there are so many ways that even when the market is down, you can come out of the market in profits. So that is why you have to follow what we do. Now, I'm trading with $1,000, but for this particular trade, I want to trade with $500. So I put in $500. My margin call limit will be 1. My margin call limit will be 1. My whole position take profit ratio, I set it as 1.3 because I'm not a greedy type. You can put it as 5% profit, 2%, 3%. But one thing about my pattern, the kind of trade I do, is that I don't want to stay in the market for too long, because I know that there is no how that in a full day that the market will not hit 1%. Once it hits 1%, I take my profit and I leave the market. 1% of $500 is about $5, if I'm not mistaken. It's about $5. So if I trade like 3 times or 3 different coins at once in a day, I've made about $15. So if I do it consecutively, now look at the compound interest I'm going to get in a month. Remember that this is not a get rich quick. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You understand? We do it slow and steady. We don't overtrade. We are disciplined traders. What we want is just little by little, and we get the big money at the end of the day. So now, my take profit, because of this, you can set your take profit as 1.1, 1%, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. You can put it as 2.5. Sometimes I put my trade at 2.5 when the market is bullish. You understand? But now that the market is bearish, you don't know where the market is going to. I don't want to take much profit. I'm okay with 1%, with 1.5% is okay for me. So I put 1.3% for this particular trade. Then my whole position take profit callback, it will be 0.01. Then my buy-in callback will be 0.1. Then margin configuration will be 99%, and or you can put it as 50%, whichever one, and 1 times, because it will not even get to that. It will not even get to 50% before you sell. You understand me? So strategy period, change it to 1 shot. So once you have done that, you click. You can put the name here, but it's not compulsory. It's optional. So you save. So once I have saved that, remember this 250. Okay, so we want to take note of that. So the next thing to do is that when you see a signal which is dropped in a channel or in a group, you just come here. Now you have set up your strategy setting, so you come to quantitative, you click on now the signal which I just dropped not quite long is dash. Okay, this is the signal. I'm coming to my Telegram channel where I drop the signal. So What signal are we going for today? Did I drop it here? Okay, I've not dropped it. I will drop it in the Telegram channel later. So dash USDT, that's the signal for today. As of this morning, I've taken about 3 different trades. 2 has closed in profits, and then 1 is still on, which I'm very sure before 24 hours time it will close in profit. So dash USDT. So once I've clicked on search on dash USDT, if you are trading on Binance, you come here. If you are trading on Huobi, you come here. If you're trading on Coinbase, you come here. But I'm trading on Binance, so I search for dash USDT. Then I come to trade settings. They say choose a strategy setting. So I click on choose a strategy setting. Then the next thing is, this is a particular number 2 is a particular one I set up. So I click on it. You see everything has been set up already. I just come here and click on save. Now you can click on start immediately, but anytime you see that there's something like first preset at 104.6, then you now come here. Although the take profit is 1.4, you can put it as 1.3. You understand me? Now whenever you see presets, you just change it to at 104 point. You come a first preset buy in price, put 104.6. So which means that the market will not buy. They call this kind of trade limit order. So the market will not buy until it gets to this particular price. You don't want to buy at the current market price. You want to set a price that when the market hit that price, you buy for you. So that is why. But in case you don't see anything like preset, then just go and just start your trade. So now I'm starting this trade. You can see the current price of this market is 114.3. You can see this is the current price. But if I start my trade, it will not start until it goes down to where? To 104.6, which is my current price, which is my preset price. Now, why am I doing like this? If you come to trading view, you will see it here. Come to trading view. Let's check for that coin. We have analyzed it, and what we saw is that you can see what is happening here. So we want to buy it when it is okay. This is let's come to dash USDT. You don't need all these things, so just follow my settings. So you don't need all. You can see it's still on a down. It's coming down, but once it retraces, then I can take my trade from there. So the next thing is to click on stats. Once I click on stats, it will not buy. It will not buy at that moment. It will not buy at that moment. You can see. Make sure that it is on one shot. So that is that. So once you have done that, then you can now, once you come to your home button, you will see your trade here. It will show green, dash green. You understand me? Now, and that is how it is done. If you can look today, I have done several trades today. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. I've done several. You can see today, buy AVAX. Course have sold, so AVAX is still there. The same today around 1:55 p.m. This trade sold off. So that is that for that. So remember, my name Rema Ariobe, and on a daily basis I will always send you signals, give you updates. So make sure that you are following the Telegram channel, you are following everything we are doing. If you are on this YouTube channel, if you are watching this video from YouTube, you make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you on your notification on the YouTube and also on Telegram, so that whenever I drop anything, any information, you will be the first. You will be the first person to receive that information. If you have any question, do well to ask your question in the group, in the community, and I want to see each and every one of us making money and testifying. Have a nice day.